Bangalore is once again opening large COVID care centers. Nagpur city is under a lockdown. Several states are witnessing a surge in the number of coronavirus cases, even as the experts are warning about a possible second wave. But India's ongoing vaccination drive is unlikely to provide any relief. The pace of the vaccination drive is a concern. India has administered 3.5 crore doses till March 16th, with 2.8 crore people receiving at least one dose of the vaccine, while only 62 lakh people receiving both the doses so far. India is far behind several countries when it comes to vaccine doses administered per 100 people. While the United Kingdom has administered 39.04 doses per 100 people, India has administered only 2.39 doses per 100 people, with the majority of the beneficiaries being frontline health workers. Experts say at this rate we will need 2 years to vaccinate just the 30 crore people in the priority group.
300 million people have to be covered. My rough estimation says that at least we need to be having 7 to 10 million persons vaccinated each day. So currently, we are around 2 million per day. So this has to be at least stepped up at least by 5 times. So to cover this 2 million, you just need the workforce within the public health system. You have nearly 10,000 auxiliary nurse midwife. You have 10,000 staff nurses. If each one of them does 100% each, it is going to be 2 million.
Experts are also asking the government to have a micro plan to cover people on age group basis, with above 60 years being prioritized and then covering people in the age group of 40s and 50s without having the comorbidity clause. They say it's time that India approved other vaccines for emergency use without insisting on a bridge study, especially the vaccines from Moderna and Johnson & Johnson, since they are being used in several countries.
I think when you have more options, there is a segment of the society who can afford and buy on their own. But the government should be a assurer and provider of the vaccines for vulnerables, those who can't afford, while the others who can afford, they can also have choice. But if you allow that too soon for those who can affordable, and the government doesn't cater to the vulnerable, then it will worsen the inequities. So therefore, it's a very fine balance that the government has to do.
Interestingly, even as India has administered 3.5 crore doses of the vaccine to its population, the country has commercially exported over 3.39 crore doses. This is apart from vaccines sent out under the COVAX agreement and as a grant to few other countries. Harish Upadhyaya for the Federal.